In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export images in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to turn your designs into clean image files you can share, upload, or hand off to teammates with confidence. First, open Figma. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Both work the same way for this task. Once you're in, give the file a second to load your workspace so all your layers and frames are available. Next, choose the project you've already created. Open the file that contains the design you want to export. If your file has multiple pages, make sure you're on the correct page where the design lives. This helps you avoid exporting the wrong frame. It's also a good idea to zoom in and quickly scan the canvas so you're sure you're targeting the right element. Now, click the frame you want to export. In Figma, a frame is usually your screen or artboard. When it's selected, you'll see a highlight around it and its name in the Layers panel. Selecting the frame ensures you export exactly what you intend, not just a single layer inside it. If you care about tidy file names, you can rename the frame first. Figma uses the frame's name as the default file name on export. You can also select multiple frames if you plan to export several at once, but one frame is perfect for this walkthrough. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Export section. Click on Export to add export settings. Here, you can choose the file format that suits your needs. PNG is great for crisp UI with a transparent background. JPG is useful for smaller file sizes and photos. SVG is ideal for icons and simple vector graphics. And PDF works well for print or multi-page deliverables. You can also set the scale, 1x for standard size, 2x or 3x for high-density screens, or add a suffix to keep versions organized. If you're exporting a JPG, consider the quality slider to balance clarity and file size. For PNG, transparency is preserved by default. Finally, click on Export Frame 1. Figma will prompt you to choose a folder, or it will download automatically if you're in the browser. Double-check where the file is saved so you can find it quickly. If your design includes linked fonts or effects, exports generally flatten them correctly. For SVGs, keep an eye on options like outlining text if consistency across platforms matters. That's it. Open Figma, open your project, select your frame, set your export options, and click Export. You're ready to share polished images from your Figma designs.